Hello to all my dear students. I welcome you again to the online video class of computers. I'm Meenakshi Kothiyal, your computer teacher. Children, I just hope that you all are fit, fine and healthy at your home and keep on studying. Okay, children, today we'll be going to continue with our third chapter. This is your book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. Okay, and chapter number 3 is on page number 40. Okay, children. So, in our previous video, we have already discussed about the word processor, about the introduction of word processor, what is the purpose of word processor and how to start MS Word 2013. Okay, children. Later on, we have studied about the components of MS Word window, that is title bar, cursor, quick access toolbar, ribbon, ruler, document window, vertical scroll bar, status bar, zoom slider, creating. Now today we'll be going to start with page number 46. Our new topic is creating a new document. So now children, we will do practical of our next topics. Okay, I'll show you how to create, how to close any document, how to save any document and how to open an existing document in MS Word. Okay children, so let's have a look. So children, today I'll show you how to create a new document. Okay, for this we have to first click on the MS Word icon. Okay, here it is present on the desktop, so I will click it on the icon. Okay, now double click on it. See, when we click on the MS Word icon, a window appears. Here we have to click on blank document. Okay, see, here our document is created. Okay children, now you can start typing on this document. Okay, like this. See, this is how you can type the text or you can prepare your document here. Okay, so this is how we can create a new document. Now suppose you have done the work here. Again you want to create a new document. So what you have to do, you will go to file option, click on file, then click on new. Okay, again blank document. See, again a new document has opened. Here we have opened the two documents. This is our first document and this is our second document. Okay, the first way is to click on the MS Word icon, then click on blank document, so the document will appear. Okay, if you are currently working on any document and you want a new document, then what you will do, you will click on file option, then new and then blank document. Okay children, so this is how you can create a document. Okay children, you are done with the document. Once you have done with the typing, now the next step is to save a document. Now I'll tell you how to save a document. For this, you have to follow some steps. Now what is the first step? The first step is that click on file option here. Click on file option. Now if you want to save the document, click on save as option. Okay, now children, here some lists are given. These are the lists where you want to save your document. Suppose, so you can browse from here where you want to save your document. Okay, browse from here. Now I'll select the place where I want to save my document. Suppose I want to save my document on the desktop, on the screen. Okay, so I'll click on desktop option from here. I've clicked on it. Now here, now children, as you can see, a box is here named file name. Okay, file name box is here. Now here you can type the name of your file. Okay, now children, as you can see that here is written .docx. See, .docx. What is this? Docx is the extension of Word document. Okay, it means that you have saved this. It means you are saving this file, and this file is of Word document. Okay, it is a kind of a Word document. Okay, so this is the extension. .docx is the extension of Word document. Okay, children. Now here, Doon Valley School Johari is already written over here. So I can change the name and I can make the short name. Okay. Okay. Now .dox will remain same and you can write the name. Suppose I want to save this file name as Minakshi. Okay. You can give any name to your document. Okay. Now click on save button. Okay, your document will get saved. See children, here, Minakshi.dox. This is the title bar, okay, and here you can see the name of your document in which you are currently working, okay. I have saved the document with the name Minakshi, so my document is saved and the name is appeared on the title bar. Okay, children. Now, next topic is, it is time to close the document. Okay, so now how will you do it? You will click on file option. Okay, and here an option comes close. Okay, you will click on close option. Okay, here it will ask you. Now the next is click on the close button. Okay children, so this is how your document has closed. Okay, topic is how to open an existing document. Now children, suppose you want to do some corrections or you want to do some changes on your existing document, then how will you open it? Okay, so for this you have to click on the word icon. Okay, clicked. Now click on the blank document. Okay, now here comes the tab file. Click on file option and then click on open. After that, click on browse. Now select your folder where you have saved your file. See, I have saved my file Minakshi on desktop. So I will select the location. I have selected. Now from here I will select the file which I want to open. You can perform this task with the help of this scroll bar and look for your file. See, this is my file, Minakshi.docx. Click on it, select it, and then click on open button. See, the existing file opens. I have already saved my file Minakshi.docx and I have opened it. See, the work which I have done will appear on the screen. Okay, now I can modify it also. Okay, I can make changes according to that. Okay, children? Children, I just hope that you all have understood the topic very well. Okay, you all must have know how to use MS Word. Okay, children, so watch the video very carefully, and if you are having any computer at your home, you can also try it at your home. Okay, do the practicals of yourself. I've told you how to do them. Okay, now you can also try it at your home. Okay, children. Then children, not taking your much time, I'm taking your leave. I'll be going to meet you in my next video. Till then, complete your work, send me your assignment as soon as possible, okay? And note down the correct answers. Okay, children? So, till then, stay safe and stay home.